Welcome back friends. Welcome to another very short video discussions. Today we have a question for you. Why does sperm cell having GLUT-5 receptor? So take one color so that we can continue our discussions. You might be knowing that most of the cases for the glucose transportation, I should be writing glucose transportation, we need a protein in the cell membrane known as a glucose transporter. And there are different types of glucose transporter that we will be discussing. Why does sperm cell contain GLUT-5 only? Because most of the cases you can see GLUT-4 receptor in the skeletal and cardiac muscle, and it can be activated by the insulin with a moderately low Km value, and it performs very good. So you might be knowing the different GLUT families like GLUT 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 families. So why 5 is mostly dominant in the sperm cell? The answer is very simple. Sperm, this particular gamete cell, fueled or getting energy not from the glucose but from the fructose. And you know that glucose transporter 5, this family mainly carry the fructose molecule in the inside the cell. So it is nothing to do with the insulin activated GLUT-4. This is the reason sperm normally having GLUT-5 so that it can easily receive the fructose molecule. Similarly, you can pay attention to the beta cells and the liver where GLUT-2 is predominant with a high Km value. High Km value means it's having the low affinity for the enzyme. So enzyme and substrate, you know, there is a possibility of binding. So low and high different Km values are also given in this particular table. So if you discuss this one, if you understand this table, you can easily answer why GLUT-5 is dominant and how these receptors are dominant in the different types of cell.